everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I'm Amreen Kokab Shah from AKS Consulting Space, and today we're going to talk about digital transformation and what it means to us. So let me give you a little bit of context. Digital transformation has become quite a buzzword these days, right? Except that it is not. Because with evolving futuristic technologies, if any business or entity wants to stay relevant, then it is imperative for it to transform digitally so that its business model remains economically viable. Now, we are living in a VUCA world where everything is volatile, uncertain, complex, or ambiguous. And with pandemics such as COVID-19, where businesses are suffering quite a lot, it is important for us than ever before to be more prepared in terms of our business models. So digital transformation has a different meaning for different organizations, depending on at what stage that organization is when we're talking about going digital. But in simple terms, digital transformation is simply an adoption of any sort of technology to improve or automate your business to make it more efficient or effective. So let me tell you a secret about digital transformation, that it is in a sense all about business transformation. Let's talk about the digital part in the term. So the question is that what kind of technology are we talking about? Because the concept of technology being used in businesses in some way or the other has always been there. So why is there a hype now? And the simple answer to this question is that a lot of new revolutionary technologies have exploded onto the scene from a decade or so. And the availability of a kind of technology which can cater this huge amount of data, big data, which is being produced everywhere. So yes, we're talking about artificial intelligence, machine learning, Internet of Things, and even 5G in terms of connectivity. But the fact of the matter is that digital transformation is not just about technology. And this is where the business transformation enters into the equation, which is majorly driven by the vision or the need of the business. So it could involve achieving better customer experience or improving operational excellence. Whatever the target of the business is, the important thing is that there is a lot more to it than just technology. So in aligning the digital transformation with business transformation, we're actually talking about improving business processes, the overall leadership or organizational structure, culture, the ways of working, and most importantly, people. For example, some organizations might be looking into upgrading their existing tool and innovation platforms, while others might already have them in place, and rather it is their culture which is not identified by agility, or the mindset of the people is fixed and there is a lack of collaboration. Then such organizations need to invest more on the processes and the people part of their business rather than on technology itself. Because digital transformation is a holistic term which involves the integration of all the aspects of business. And this was what I meant when I earlier mentioned that digital transformation does not have a single definition for any given organization. Now I would like to conclude with the fact that as per McKinsey & Company, the recovery from COVID-19 is digital. And when we compare the pre-COVID and early phase of COVID situation, we see that there is an increase in digital adoption by many industries. And this effect is only going to multiply in the coming time. So the question from you all is that, are you willing to digitally transform your business? Thank you for watching this video. If you have any comments or feedback, I would like to hear from you. Take care.